In today's video, I'll teach you how to end a listing early on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at top you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here you'll be able to find this option for sell. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the eBay Seller Hub. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like overview, orders, listings, marketing, etc. Make sure listings option is selected. After you do that, at left you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option active. Now over here you'll be able to see all of your active listings. Right now I do not have any listings, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is locate the listing that you want to end. After you do that, click on the More Actions drop down menu next to the listing. Now select the option for End Listing. If there are any bids, simply click on the option Cancel Bids and End Listing. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to confirm and end the listing, and you'll be able to end the listing. So that is how you end a listing early on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.